Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to arrange pictures in Microsoft Word. So first, open Microsoft Word and go to the Insert tab. Then click on Pictures to insert pictures from your computer. So let's insert some pictures. Select this one. To select multiple pictures, just hold the Control key and select all the pictures you want to insert. Then click on Insert. Or you can, let's go to the Insert tab again. Or you can click on Online Pictures, insert online pictures. So let's insert some pictures. You can uncheck the Creative Commons only and select the picture, then click on Insert. Now to arrange the pictures, click on the picture and go to this icon here in the top right corner of the picture and select in front or behind text. Go to the second picture and do the same, or click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools. Go to Wrap Text and select behind text or in front of text. So let's select behind text. And let's do the same thing to the third image. Or you can right click on the picture and go to Wrap Text, then select in front of text or behind text. So now you can resize the pictures and drag them. You can resize them by dragging these points in the corners. And you can also stretch the pictures by dragging the points in the size. Let's undo the changes. And resize this one too. Now to arrange them, you can hold the Shift key and select the three pictures. Then go to the Format under Picture Tools and go to Align. Now, if you want to align them to align the selected objects, select selected objects, and if you want to align them to margin, select Align to Margin. If you want to align them to page, then select to page. And here you can align them to the left, to the right, to the center, to the right, align to the top, align middle, bottom, and you can also distribute horizontally. Let's move them like this to better understand what's going on. Align, you can distribute horizontally like this, and you can also select distribute vertically. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.